Today we're going to make a very moisturizing sugar scrub for winter skin. Keep in mind I'm making a 500-gram batch, so the gram weights will equal up to that 500 grams. This formula filled 4 8-ounce jars and almost filled one more 6-ounce jar. I started out with the largest beaker that I have, which is a 1,000 millimeter beaker, and quickly found out as I began adding the ingredients that I was going to have to switch to a bowl. So you can see later on in the video that I do switch over to a large bowl while I'm mixing everything up. I'm adding 50 grams of BTMS 50 emulsifier, and then 25 grams of acetyl alcohol, 25 grams stearic acid, 50 grams shea butter, 50 grams cocoa butter, and I add 293 grams of oils, and they're divided out like this: 97.5 grams olive oil, 97.5 grams of almond oil, and 88 grams of jojoba oil, and 10 grams of IPM. I chose these ingredients especially for dry skin because each one of these ingredients are very emollient, hydrating, moisturizing. I would never choose this combination of ingredients for someone that has oily skin or for a summertime product. The isopropyl myricate will help cut down on the heavy, greasy afterfeel and leave a very silky feeling on your skin. And once everything's in our beaker, we'll want to move it over into our double boiler and bring it up to about 158 to make sure that everything's in an oily state. You don't want to see any solids. And then we'll take it into the freezer until it's kind of firm on top and on the sides, just kind of slushy-like. And then we'll whip it up and then begin adding our sugar. And this is the point where I realized that I was going to have to transfer this over to a bowl. I added 2.5 grams T50 tocopherols and mix. Next, I added 2.5 grams liquid Germol Plus, a broad spectrum preservative, just in case water gets in this. Next, I added 2 grams fragrance. I added a berry fragrance to this, but you could add whatever fragrance that you like. I added a blue color mica to one batch. And because this was so yellow, it turned like a green color. And then I added some purple into, you'll see this in here in just a minute. And I added some purple to another batch. And here that batch is right here. It kind of turned out pink looking. And I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of this right here. So it is, it's got some body to it. It's just not going to fall out of the jar. And, if you turn it over, I guess if you left it that way, it would. But anyway, then there's a picture of the purple mica right there. And then I just packaged it all up and I tried to pipe it again. I think a couple of videos ago, I tried to pipe some scrub. I'm just not very good at it. I'm thinking I'm going to give my hand a try at trying to pipe some body butters and see how that goes. But anyway, there's just something satisfying about squeezing all this stuff out of a piping bag and just kind of playing with it here. But anyway, if you learned anything from this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment if you've got any questions on it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.